Want to use US dollars to build your cryptocurrency portfolio? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy various cryptocurrencies with USD on Crypto.com, whether you're funding with bank transfers or card payments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using USD directly simplifies the crypto buying process and helps you avoid extra conversion fees. Let me walk you through the most efficient ways to turn your US dollars into digital assets. First, ensure you have USD in your Crypto.com fiat wallet. Go to the Accounts or Banking section and select Transfer. Choose Deposit USD and follow the instructions to add funds from your linked bank account. Once your USD is deposited, navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Here you'll see a wide selection of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. You can filter by market cap, recently added, or search for specific coins. Select any cryptocurrency you want to purchase. The interface will automatically default to USD as your funding source if you have a balance. Enter the amount you want to spend in USD, and the app will calculate how much crypto you'll receive. Review the transaction details including the current exchange rate and any fees. Crypto.com typically charges 0% fees for USD purchases when using your fiat wallet balance, making this one of the most cost-effective ways to buy crypto. A crucial pro tip: set up recurring purchases to dollar cost average with USD. This feature lets you automatically buy cryptocurrency at regular intervals, smoothing out price volatility over time. You can find this option in the Recurring Buy section. And just like that, you're now efficiently converting USD into cryptocurrency with minimal fees. Using direct USD transfers is one of the smartest ways to build your crypto portfolio. If this guide helped you optimize your purchasing strategy, please give it a like. Which cryptocurrency are you planning to buy with USD first? Share your choice in the comments below. For those who prefer card payments, subscribe for our next video on how to purchase crypto with a credit card on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.